Two alleged goat thieves lost their life in Clarendon, the third hospitalized. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Two alleged goat thieves were chopped to death in Royal area of Clarendon on Friday, the police have stated. A third accomplice reportedly escaped with minor injuries and remained in hospital under police guard. One of the deceased has been identified as Winston Cameron of James Hill address in the parish. The second deceased remains unidentified. Head of the Clarendon Police Superintendent Carlos Russell said that at around 1:30 p.m. on Friday, residents intercepted a motor car with three men aboard who were reportedly seen stealing goats in the area. The men ran from the vehicle and citizens gave chase. Two of the men were caught. Citizens tried in an effort to arrest them but met up with resistance, Russell stated. He said that machete-wielding residents subsequently inflicted several chop wounds to the men. They were taken to hospital where they succumbed to their injuries while undergoing treatment. Russell, while imploring residents to desist from taking matters of justice into their own hands, also gave a strong message to the woodlums who seek to disrupt the livelihood of farmers. The farmers are going through a rough time, and those preying larcenies are preying on the farmers as a lot of goats and other cattle are being stolen. We want to say to these men, leave the farmers alone and find a job. Let the farmers survive, Russell said. 8 murders have been recorded in the parish up to February 17. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.